150 years ago, our world was in the midst of a profound transition. New technologies led to an explosion in productivity and connectivity, reshaping the global economy. The shipping industry was at the heart of this transformation. It was into this context that DNV and GL were born, taking on the role of verifying that vessels were seaworthy. They built trust in a time of transition. Today, we see that the technologies, systems and institutions that have driven growth are being tested by the new demands of the 21st century. We need new approaches to thrive in the future. People are demanding more of their leaders and more of business. 150 years after our founding, building trust is more crucial than ever.
The merger of the DNV and GL groups of companies became effective in September 2013. And this is a merger of actually a number of very proud legacy companies. So besides DNV and GL, it also includes companies like Kema, Noble Denton, and Garrett Hassan. And the future, we move forward under one banner, DNV GL.
So we see a world becoming more and more globalized, more and more interconnected, and we see the need for a sustainable development becoming increasingly important for all our customers and stakeholders. And that has really been the core for us, selecting these 6 teams.
These 6 projects are all related to our vision to have a global impact for a safe and sustainable future, and to address some of the challenges that the world experiences today. And the world is, unfortunately, on an unsustainable path.
To mark our 150th anniversary and first year as a united company, we're exploring strategic themes that crystallize our vision and help us translate that vision into action. We started by asking ourselves how we can practically achieve our vision of global impact for a safe and sustainable future. We argue that it is possible to build a world where 9 billion people can thrive within the environmental limits of the planet. Technology has always been at the center of human transitions. Now, more than ever, we need to harness its power to make the shift. Shipping is the backbone of global trade. We have charted a course to cut fatalities by 90% and emissions by 60%, all while keeping costs down. The future is electric. Electrification through technologies such as smart grids and offshore wind power can make our energy system cleaner and more affordable. We're carefully studying the complex risk picture in the diverse areas of the Arctic region as stakeholders explore the region's rich resources. The climate is changing. Mitigating emissions is not enough. We need to adapt and build our resilience.
It would be great if more governments were to recreate or change incentive structures so that corporate responsibility, sustainability actually is being enhanced, rewarded, rather than being punished.
I will strongly and passionately appeal to corporate leaders around the world, begin to pay more attention to empathy.
Awareness building, I think, is in some sense the very first and most important step to bringing about action.
Change is the new constant, so I think we should all embrace changes as much as we can.
The importance of a company like DNV GL is to really help business learn this new language.
Once you start to bring values back, you bring everyone on board, because actually customers, citizens, they know trust when they see it. You don't have to say, I'm trustworthy. People feel trust.
This is just the beginning. We want to take this conversation forward with new colleagues and new partners. Together, we can speed up our journey to a safe and sustainable future. This is DNV GL taking the broader view.
By reviewing these 6 teams, I see a lot of opportunities. Opportunities for DNV GL, opportunities for our customers and partners, but most important, opportunities for us to work together to solve these challenges and to find a way forward for a safe and sustainable future.
It's an amazing time. It's a time of radical transformation of deaths and rebirths that come from those deaths. And I just feel so excited to be a part of it and to see it happening and unfolding around us. It's an amazing time.
There is enough knowledge out there. It's just about starting to understand that the kind of growth we need for the future must be created in a different way than the growth we created in the past. It's not rocket science. The science is there, the fact is there, the challenge is there, but the solutions are also there. So get started.